Nasa bahay na kami at pinaglilinis ko si Alexander kasi he needs to learn these things. Kakarating niya lang, but you have energy, yeah? You have energy to clean? Okay, let me fix. Okay, clean properly. Mahilig naman to maglinis si Alexander. Nag-exercise si Alexander kasi nag-exercise si Apam. Ay, hindi ko lang pwede ipakita si Apam. Pero nag-exercise siya dito. Nakikisali si Alexander. Oh, ginagaya niya si Apam. Bakit yun yung mirror ko? Madumi siya. Maglilinis ako sa bahay mamaya. Oh my God, Alexander. You're so good, Alexander.
Okay, let's see if they have tunnel blocks.
Okay. So, ipapakita ko rin pala sa inyo later yung ano. Yan, nandyan si Apam nag-exercise. And then, kasi supposedly, pupunta siya dun sa kabilang bahay para mag-exercise. Tapos dito na lang. Alexander, say hello!
Hello.
Do you want to do live or not?
Not live.
Not live, yeah. Ayaw niya ng live. Gusto niya pag nasa sasakyan ka na.
Live, I need to off the TV. It'll be too boring.
Okay. Finish your food now. Tomorrow we're going to tennis, okay? You have to wear your sports attire. And then you play.
That's why your nose is bleeding. Because you're picking your nose, in your nose.
Alam nyo, si Alexander nakikinig talaga to kay Afam. Pag may sinabi siya, sinusunod talaga niya. No? Come here, Alexander. Come here, hug mommy first. Because I miss you so much. I miss you. I miss you so much. Huh? Did you have a lovely day? Did you have a lovely day? Okay, you can watch. Okay? Yung mga plants ko nandyan. And we meet our friends, yeah? While coming here. We saw them. Ito yung pagkain ni Alexander kasi very juicy ito. I'm not filming ya. Nag-exercise siya pa. I think I will exercise also. Gusto ko mag-exercise. Exercise siguro ako mamaya. Alam nyo, before, si Afam, gusto niya talaga mag-exercise ako all the time. Ngayon, hindi na. Okay na sa kanya kahit hindi ako mag-exercise. Your food is delicious. Okay guys, bye. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung damit na binili ko. Okay, bye. Lalakad kami papunta ng tennis trial ni Alexander. Yeah. Should be for tennis.
But it's just
Stony, Stratford, and then tennis.
but it's a speaker.
Yeah, let's see. Who's this? Late na kami. Alexander, are you excited to try the tennis?
Oh, there is.
Yeah, there is. Thanks, again. Late na kasi kami, so hopefully, yeah.
10 more minutes. No, there is still some.
Did you like it, Alexander, the tennis? So nice, yeah?
Venka, what's going on, man? Hello. How's it going? Yeah.
Yeah, nag-enjoy si Alexander, guys. Kaninang morning, ayaw niya pang mag-ano dito. Ayaw niya pang pumunta dito. But now, he's enjoying it a lot. It's so funny. Kasi nga, pinipilit ko pa to na pumunta dito. Tingnan nyo ngayon ay. Stop, yeah. Yeah, you okay. Mag-room around kami dito ng kaunti. Because there's like, it's really nice here actually. Meron silang golf, cricket, bowling, golf, tennis, and other. Where is the place we can? Okay, Alexander, just tomorrow, okay? I give you tissue. Give you a tissue. You're doing so good, Alexander. I like to give him something, baby, because he's so good. You're playing and you're doing so good.
Turn on the car, baby.
You're so good player. That's why we're taking him to McDonald's kasi he likes McDonald's.
Okay, let's say photo now.
Okay, let's go now. And you get some art.
Okay, let's say a photo in that.
Maybe meal? Maybe meal, babe?
Four? You want to eat one or two?
I feel just eat two because was so many.
No, because daddy will also eat.
And that's it?
No, for you.
Yeah, four.
Four? Okay, milkshake for me then. Because maybe they have still, or no more hot, just coffee now, because they don't have that. They don't have that. Just coffee, yeah.
Which one?
Cappuccino. Or no, maybe just chips. Maybe just chips. I like. Not with coffee, chips, because we're going anyway. Yes. Kasi si Alexander, maganda, yung magaling siya, I mean, very nice. Ito yung request ni Alexander after the game. Kasi kanina, ayaw niya mag-tennis. Tapos sabi ko, okay, kung pupunta ka, be careful, Alexander. I will take you to McDonald's. Kaya yan.
You should hold the racket with both hands as well. Not with one.
Dito kami sa McDonald's kasi ito talaga yung request na Alexander, guys. Pupunta pa sana kami ng forest kasi nga lang malamig siya. Tapos hindi kami ready sa malamig kasi akala namin today is sunny dahil nga yung nakalagay sa weather forecast. Nice,
Sweet chili.
And what else? Cucumber and
Salad.
lettuce and what else? I think that's it. No, right, or super nag-enjoy si Alexander, guys, sa tennis. Padaling ko to siya sa football again. Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. It's so yummy. I mean, hindi siya healthy, pero yun kasi yung request ni Alexander. And seatbelt, Alexander? Seatbelt? Oh my God. Your seatbelt. Good. Malamig kasi today, guys. Kala namin summer na. Babe, can you put seatbelt to him? Such a good boy. Hindi yan sanay si Afam na mag seatbelt. Kasi ako always.
Take this one. Take this one.
Okay.